So this is the suspension part. They're replacing all the bushing and all the different tie rod on the other side. But if you can see, this was the material that I ordered online. So it is actually to replace this one here. As you can see, this is broken. It's already torn into two. So let's see if I can replace this. Looks quite straightforward. Don't know what it's gonna be. It looks like it has all the different points. Maybe we can do this. Hopefully. But there's no hole at the back. Okay, let's try. This one. Take this off. Wow. It's quite easy to take that off. So when I bought this, I also make sure that I also ordered these tiny parts. Let's see. Let's try. See if it works. Doesn't seem to fit. Let's try on the second hole first. It's quite hard, but it's okay. I don't know whether this is how you do it. Maybe it's just the way. I hope I won't break anything. Let's do that like this. Try this. Seems easy. Looks easy. Try this. Looks nice. It's a bit tight at some points. I think we have to really push this like that. I think the same thing, maybe have to use a hammer. Is that how you do it? Because there's no hole at the last one. It's okay, we just try first. Looks like it doesn't go all the way. So that one's hanging. Maybe have to drill a small hole at the back. Otherwise it will hang. Okay. Easy job.
Sini. Kalau kau pergi sebelah sana, dia ngam. Kalau sebelah sini dia mau pindah sini.
Pindah-pindah ya?
Boleh pindah-pindah. Ini tegur.
This has been replaced. So apparently when Alan's the mechanic. Alan said when he started working on this, he discovered that this was not even tightened on this side also. Crazy mechanics. Don't know what they're thinking. So maybe that's why there was a bit of noise when I was driving this about 2 weeks ago. Crazy. Anyway. This part is also a bit hardened. That time. Ton. This is the bushing for the lower arm. Lower arm kan?
Yeah, lower ambush.
Lower arm bush. See, it's already out of shape. Odd shape. So Alan said the work is sort of done. There were some minor issues just now. Hard. People force onto it, so it was a big problem when he was trying to unlock or trying to remove the part. Just fitted the wheel on this side. I don't know if I still remember to do this. I don't know if it's gonna work. Seems tight. after replacing the front suspension bushing and the tie rod, etc., of course you need to do some alignment. So this shop in KK, in Kota Kinabalu, it's already 10 p.m. and the shop is still operating, which is good. We still can maximize the use of our time here. So they're gonna do the alignment shortly. Done the wheel alignment, everything feels good now. As you can see, it's just now the steering wheel was like this direction is not even centered. But now it feels much nicer, tighter. You can feel the suspension feels new. And yeah, hopefully this is going to be a great journey when we embark on this adventure in about 2 months' time in February. So yeah, it's good. Drives quite well so far. Of course, there's still more things to fix.